Hi, I'm Shen and welcome back to my channel at Mama Banana. So today I'm going to show you how to crack an egg the right way so that you don't get any shells in your food, alright? So let's get cracking. Did you get it? Did you see what I did there? So the best way to crack an egg is to hit it off a flat surface and not the edge of a bowl or a cup or anything hard like that, because you could just easily get shells and everything. So just hit it off a flat surface till it's cracked like that. Then you hold it over your bowl, press your fingers, your thumbs together and push them against each other and pull the eggshells apart just like that. Good hard tap off the flat surface. Press your thumbs into the egg and then pull apart with your knuckles pushing against each other. And that way you don't get any shells in. So I hope you found today's video useful. I have a whole kitchen basics series which I will link in the cards up above, and I will include the playlist at the end right here and also in the description box down below. So have an excellent day, and if you have any egg puns, please do share with everyone in the comments down below. So make sure to like and subscribe. So until the next video, thanks and goodbye.